Happy morning, students. I hope all of you fine and safe in your home. Stay safe, stay healthy. Today we will move on second chapter, that is food through digestive tract. So, as this chapter deals with food and digestion system, let me share some thought about food because our health mainly depends upon food we eat, isn't it? So, it is very important to eat healthy food, but it is like a coin. That is, in the food habit we have two choice. See, a coin has two sides. Same way, food manner has two sides. One side is good food habits, another side bad food habits, isn't it? Good food habit means we eat good food items. Bad food habit means eating junk food. So let me share some good food habits. Research has shown that students are able to perform well when they well nourished and they are eating healthy meals has been likened into higher grades, better memory and faster information processing. One of the reason for this is that foods that are rich in fibers, proteins and healthy fat keep the body feel full longer, providing enough energy to focus and stay alert throughout the entire day. Colorful fruits contain antioxidants, fibers, vitamins and many other nutrients that support healthy growth and prevent health problems like obesity, dental cavity, etc. So, childrens, it is better to include fruits and vegetables in our diet to keep you healthy. As you all school going childrens, you need more energy. Your brain has to work for this healthy food habits help you. As I told you, coin has two sides, same way health has two sides. One is good food habits, another one bad food habits. Next we can see what is bad food habits. Eating junk food not at all good, isn't it? Research and studies prove that eating more junk food have increased child obesity, then heart diseases, diabetes and also many chronic disorders. Junk food cause serious damage to the brain, means junk food mainly affecting our brain. It reduce our memory. So my dear students, if you have a habit of eating junk food regularly, please try to stop it and have natural food items that definitely bring many good changes in our life. Why I am discussing this all things? Because our chapter related to food. Let's move on chapter. Chapter begins with classroom situation. Here you can see that children are sitting same way you sitting in the classroom and teacher also there. One of the student Adityan, he is reading a question or doubt they have got from the doubt box maintained by the science club. The question is, plants they prepare food and use it for it is life activities, but it do not have a digestive system, but we receive food from the plants have a digestive system. This is the question reading by Adityan. So now I am not going to discuss this question because we will get answer of this question after learning about digestion. Now what you have to do is you have some knowledge about digestion, parts of digestion system, etc. So what is your opinion about this question? Just note it down in your rough book. After the digestion system, we will cross check answer. You have written correct or wrong. So, we begin the chapter. So, all know that for growth and our life activities, we need energy. Energy we get from food that we eat, and whatever nutritions required for our body, everything we get from food we eat. So, important nutritions we get from food is already you learn in lower classes, and still recollect what are the important nutrition present in food that we eat, and they are carbohydrates, protein, fat, minerals, vitamins, and water, isn't it? These are important nutritions present in food that we eat. Now, what are the functions of these nutritions? Function also you learned, still I will explain it. The function of carbohydrate is production of energy. See, in your lower classes, you studied energy giving food. So, this energy giving are carbohydrate and fat. So, function of fat also production of energy. And function of protein is to build up muscles in our body. That is body building food. Then minerals they regulate the life activities and vitamin also control and coordinate the life activities. And last one is water. Water is one of the important nutrition. 70% of our body contain water. You all know that water is the medium for all the biochemical reactions in our body. So water help to perform all these activities easier. Make the life activities easier. Water maintain the body balance. That is the function of water in our body. I hope you understood important nutritions present in our food and functions. This is the very important concept. Important concept we are going to discuss in this chapter is the digestion only. As you all know that our body cannot directly absorb nutritions present in the food items because they are in the complex form, so they have to transform into simple form, and that process taking place in digestion. So digestion is the breaking down of complex food material into simple absorbable form. You already studied in 7th standard what is digestion and what are the different stages of digestion. Let's recall.